Good Tuesday morning. This photo I want to share with you this morning, 6:45. Got this one from a friend of mine, Jeff Draper, local storm chaser. Got it from a friend of his who's a police officer up in the Yukon, Oklahoma area. That's a baseball in the middle of it, and those are hailstones that fell yesterday evening up in Oklahoma. They had reports of hail. They had reports of 37 tornadoes. Likely to see the numbers go up. Hopefully not on the deaths, but they were reported 5 deaths out of that. Certainly an incredible size for hailstones. Really kind of hard to give you an estimate as to how fast these are falling. Of course, the winds are swirling around, and you've got the hailstones tend to melt as they move, and the faster they move, they'll tend to melt a little bit more just from friction in the atmosphere. So it's hard to tell. But I will tell you this. 4.5-inch hailstone, if you were just to toss it up in the air 5 feet and let it land on your head, you know that would be a serious bump. Now, imagine this falling from a couple thousand feet. Very serious, and that is what fell then. Right now, 73 degrees, cloud cover, winds out of the southeast at 3, humidity at 87%. 60s like 69, Burnett, low 70s, all the way to 74 in Lockhart, 75 in LaGrange, 73 is both sides here. Tornadoes, 37 reported. Those are the red dots. Up and down, north and central parts of north and south, the central parts of Oklahoma, also into Kansas. Wind damage, 11 reports. Hail, 60 reports. You know these numbers are going to go up, and hopefully not the number of fatalities. They had 5 reported. Storms out of this area were tremendous. You can see those moving out to the east. They raced out of here, and that was pretty much it. Now we have cloud cover locally. We're seeing a few clouds here, and I'm not going to see too much more from that today. Morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. We ought to have temperatures warming up into the 80s. Hopefully not too hot today because the humidity levels are up. Maybe a chance for showers coming up on Thursday. You'll see just the very earliest indications of that on our 48-hour forecast model right in through there. A little bit of shower activity coming in from the west. For today, partly cloudy for this afternoon. Morning clouds, partly cloudy, 92. Winds out of the south, 10, 15 miles per hour. Maybe a little higher than that at times. 73, the overnight low tonight. Now, the rain chances, I mentioned Thursday. It'll be hot and humid now. 92 for the high today and tomorrow. 20% chance for showers on Thursday. And then after that, maybe a little bit better chance for rain. Maybe and a little bit. The emphasis here. 30% for Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Maybe some isolated afternoon thunderstorms. The good news on top of this, we go from 90s to 80s to even mid-80s by Sunday and Monday. Morning lows in the 70s. Those two go to the 60s. First warning weather on the radio with Magic 95.5 and Talk Radio 1370 AM.